Yeah, I'm right by the flowers. I've been waiting 20 minutes. Yeah. Okay, see you here. Hello? Yeah, right outside of Starbucks. How many times do I have to tell you, bro? Hello? Hello? Mom, can you hear me? I'm not in Vegas. Fuck, I'm in Utah, I swear. I'm not in Vegas. I don't know why that asshole told you that. Hello? Bubba Gump. You hear me? Yeah. Right outside of Bubba Gump. Yeah, just hurry up, man. I've been waiting. I'm hungry, bro. I'm hungry. Yeah, I'll be right outside. Just hurry up, bro. Just hurry. Hello? Yes. Mom, I'm not in Vegas. Hello? US Polo, right there. Yeah, just meet me inside the store, please. Hello? Earl's. Can you hear me? I'm outside of Earl's. Just show up already. Just come, I'm hungry. Hello? Yes. Mom, I told you I'm not in Vegas. I don't know why he told you that. I'm in Utah. Yeah. Yes. Can you hear me? Hello? Okay. Yeah. Hello? Can you hear me? No? Hello? Yeah. Well, Dad, I will wear a condom, I swear. Just calm down. You're not gonna be a grandpa. Don't worry, I got it under control. Hello?